In this video, we'll guide you through using lots and serial numbers in CustomBooks. Before adding lots and serial numbers to your items, you need to enable these features in the settings. Head to the Admin panel and select Inventory Settings. Ensure that the checkboxes for lots and serial numbers are checked. Let's start by creating a new product that will use lots. Lots are useful for grouping items produced at the same time or with the same expiration date. This is especially helpful for tracing items quickly in case of a recall. To create an item, navigate to Lists and select Items. Click on Create, then New. Enter the item description and select Product as the type. Now you'll see the checkboxes to use lots and use serial numbers. For this example, we'll select Lots. After saving the item, you can enter the lot information directly from this screen. You can also add lot information when receiving items from your vendor. When you go to the item receipt and enter the item, you'll need to specify the lot for the received items. If the items come from different lots, enter the quantity received from each lot as separate line items. For items with serial numbers, you'll need to enter a unique serial number for each item sold or received. To streamline data entry, we offer a few shortcuts. From the item screen, decide if you want to enter serial numbers when receiving items from vendors by checking the appropriate box. When entering the item on an item receipt, input the quantity and choose to either manually enter the serial numbers or have the system generate them for you. Click Generate Serial Numbers, input the starting serial number and the quantity, then click Generate. CustomBooks will populate the serial numbers for you, and each entry will add the corresponding item to your stock. When shipping items to customers, you can select the serial numbers from the purchased items. Check the box next to each serial number, then click Save and Close. Once the shipment is saved, those serial numbers will be removed from your inventory. Now that you've learned how to use lots and serial numbers, let's move on to how you can use those items in CustomBooks.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.